welcome to the first video of 2024. You're watching Mithaas Services official YouTube channel. This video can help you in learning how to earn from content writing. But before we start this video, a little request from you. Creating one video for YouTube requires so many people to work on it in our team. Somebody scripts the video, I record the video, Aniket edits the video. There's a lot of effort going into each video. Your one like, one subscribe, and one comment can absolutely boost our energies in terms of, posting more content. So if you want that we can keep on, posting interesting videos on this channel, please help us by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing our videos. Now, have a good time watching this interesting video on how you can take the 7-day LinkedIn challenge and earn from your content writing skills. LinkedIn as a platform is a very professional yet very interesting platform to explore. There are more than 30 or 40 workshop mates from the previous workshops who have actually got good placements in different companies with different freelancers with the help of LinkedIn profile optimization. I really want that you start optimizing your profile as well so that you can get a better discoverability and you can get better opportunities as a content writer. Honestly, if you ask me, LinkedIn is a platform full of opportunities. All you need to do is strike the right chord with content and you can get some amazing opportunities. You don't really believe me? I'll give you an exercise to do. Go to LinkedIn Jobs. Over there, go and type content writer or copywriter or content editor. Then see how many opportunities are present on LinkedIn. Of course, like every platform, you need to verify the company details. You need to be careful while applying to places. But there are a lot of opportunities on LinkedIn. If I talk about the 7-day LinkedIn challenge, what do we do in this challenge? Basically, on a day-wise basis, you're trying to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Let's talk about the 7 days of this LinkedIn challenge. The first day, day 1 of your LinkedIn challenge is all about optimizing your LinkedIn profile. First of all, create a profile on LinkedIn. Second, add a strong headline on LinkedIn. Third, add a banner image on LinkedIn. Fourth, add a good display picture on LinkedIn. Fifth, add a strong About Us section on LinkedIn. And sixth, start posting on LinkedIn. Optimizing your profile means that you can reach more people with just these simple 6 steps. Let's talk about these steps one by one and you keep noting them down. Step number 1, create your LinkedIn profile. Anyone 18 plus can easily create their profile and start posting content on LinkedIn, right? So step number 1, follow the simple steps and create your LinkedIn profile. Step number 2 is to add a headline to your LinkedIn profile. I see a lot of people posting headlines like, I will do this, I will do that. No, they're not asking your life story in the headline. LinkedIn headline is all about what you are seeking from LinkedIn. If I want to get content writing jobs from LinkedIn, why will I write, I am helping you make a better world? It doesn't have any connection. I am making a better world with words. Yes, it has a connection. So think about it that what do I really want from LinkedIn? What is my agenda of being on LinkedIn? Use those keywords and put those keywords in the headline. The next thing is your banner image. The banner image should be such that it talks about who you are. Consider your LinkedIn profile as your website landing page. Anybody wanting to know about you can get the information from your LinkedIn profile professionally. So when you're creating a banner image, you can easily create it on Canva. It's a similar size as the YouTube banner. And in that, you can mention your views about content writing. You can talk about what are you seeking from LinkedIn, right? You can talk about your services as a content writer. The third point is, of course, updating the About section. Now, I see a lot of LinkedIn profiles just talking about, hi, I am Devanshi and I like dancing. Relatable? Not really, bro. You need to create an About section that tells people who Devanshi is or who you are as a content writer. So, when we are creating the About section of LinkedIn, it should be divided into 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph talks about, hi, I am so and so, I am a content writer and I am seeking opportunities in content writing and copywriting services. Simple 2 lines, crystal clear. The second paragraph should talk about your content writing journey. When did you start content writing? What are your strength points in content writing? Right? And the third paragraph should be the CTA. Maybe put your email address there. Put why someone should reach out to you. So, something like, I can help you add value to your brand with the help of content. I can help you add a certain X factor to your brand. Or being a Gen Z, I can give your brand a complete content makeover. Reach out to me on so and so email address. These are simple 3 paragraphs in which you can write your About section. Comes in the next part. Update your display picture on LinkedIn. Remember, don't add open to work simply because think of it, no, if a teleprompter is calling you and telling you something, you already know that they are calling to get work or get sales. Will you really entertain them? Maybe not. Similar way, when you put that open to work, it looks a little desperate according to me as an employer that, oh, this connection is because they need work. So keep it simple, keep it neutral, keep it natural. This is something that you can update on your LinkedIn profile. Update your educational qualifications, update the details and experience, and start posting content as a content writer. Creating a strong content plan with just 4 posts a month can help you in getting better opportunities on LinkedIn. You don't have to do, hours and hours of work on LinkedIn. You can simply create 4 posts, use those 4 posts in the scheduled option, and you can get your own LinkedIn optimized profile. Following these simple steps, you can get better opportunities as a content writer and you can start earning as a content writer. The next video that's coming for you in the upcoming days is going to be about the LinkedIn content plan. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a huge heart shout out in the comments if you like the video. Go try these simple optimizing points out there, and I really hope this year will be your year as a content writer. Lots of love, keep writing, and see you in the next video.